Hey everybody, it's Brian James. I'm back with another product review. And if you know me and you follow my Instagram at Mr. Brian James, you'll probably know that I'm a photographer and I love everything photography. That being said, I had a company named Phopik reach out to me with their PT204 series tripod. I have not opened this yet, and as promised, I told them I would review it for them. So disclaimer, they did send this to me for free. However, I am going to give an honest review because that's what I do. So it's my understanding that this tripod is actually more of a lightweight tripod. Either for a cell phone or a GoPro, which I don't honestly film with very much. We get a nice little carry bag. I don't think anyone really uses those, I'll be honest with you, but that's your thing. First impressions. Oh, that's okay. That's all right. Let's see how these. Okay, that works as should. Definitely going to be super flimsy down here because this is really thin. Again, if you're using this, for a cell phone or a GoPro, you're not going to need much stabilization, I suppose. Okay, so it's very light. It's a bit plasticky. Let's see the head here. This is made from plastic. Now I've never seen a tripod before where this piece was plastic. This is what attaches to your camera. This is normally metal. There's not many metal parts in here at all, as a matter of fact. Well, I suppose I guess the legs are metal. Everything else seems to be plastic. There is a level. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there is a level there. Super small. I don't know if that would be very useful. But yeah, okay. All right. Well, there's that. Let's check this out. So this is the Phopik PT204. V is in Victor. And so they were kind enough to include this cell phone mount, which it looks like we're going to unscrew here.
Oh, okay, so this unscrews the whole way.
Versus, I wish I had some kind of spring action. Okay, so we can tighten that, but for the sake of speeding this along, okay, let me get a phone here. This is my iPhone XS Plus, or XS Max, excuse me. See if it fits this bad boy, and this is with a case. So it does fit it. It is, I think, I would say it's about stretched to the max. However, of course I know this is backwards, but that's okay. I want you to see my screen. I'll go here. I'll go here. I mean, yeah, it does what it's supposed to do. It's not terrible by any means. Let me get a little face identification, please. Maybe I can record you. Or record you recording me. Won't that be something? Ooh. Maybe I should include this. Oh, there's me. Alright, well, my thoughts. What are my thoughts on this? This retails, I believe, on Amazon for $29.95 or something like that. I think if you're doing maybe vlogs from home, or you're using a cell phone or a GoPro, I think this is plenty sturdy enough. This is not going to go anywhere. It's obviously not made of titanium or aluminium or aluminum, as I call it in the United States, but it's going to get the job done. And I think for this price, I think it's very reasonable. I don't really have any complaints, at least at first sight. I don't know how it would handle the weight of a camera necessarily. But you know what? I'm gonna go get a camera. I'm gonna go get a mirrorless camera, and then I'm gonna throw that on there and then see how it holds up. Okay, so we're back with my trusty Sony A6000. This is a small mirrorless camera, and we are going to plug this bad boy in. This release feels like it's a little plasticky. You guys, I've never used a plastic tripod before, but I do like. I mean, that's quick. I do like that. My tripod doesn't have that. I have a very expensive tripod, $300 tripod, and it doesn't do that. So that's kind of cool. But this feels pretty good. Let me tighten this up here. Of course, I have this backwards, which because I'm stupid, but. Adjustments here. All right, guys. Well, I got the tripod backwards, but you get the idea. This feels okay. Let me see. Is this going to tighten up even more, or is this going to be loose? Look at that. Look. This is a very small mirrorless camera with a 35mm lens, not too heavy, and if you can't see that, it is tightened all the way, and it's not going to hold that weight. So, I think what we just figured out here is that you're not going to be able to use this for a mirrorless. Certainly not a DSLR. But for a GoPro, which I have, which I'm not going to get out because it's even smaller than a cell phone. For a GoPro or a cell phone, I think you're going to do just fine with this tripod. So, that's my honest review. $30. Phopik PT204V. You know, depends on what you're looking for. Would I give this 5 stars? No. For what it's meant for, I would give it maybe 3.5. But it is exactly what it's meant for. So if you're looking for time lapse or Instagram or YouTubing with your friends, or maybe making a basic podcast or something like that, I think this tripod would do just fine. So I want to thank Phopik for sending it to me. Well, I'd like to thank Phopik. If that's how you say it, I apologize. I believe it is. If I said that wrong, leave me some comments below and tell me that I'm a complete idiot. That's fine. I get it. But anyways, thank you for sending me this tripod. I believe I will get use out of this. Certainly not for shooting with my Sony cameras, but yeah, I'll definitely find some use for this. I really wish this was a spring. This is kind of annoying. So that's part of the reason you're only going to get 3.5 stars from me. In any case, if you're interested in picking this up, go ahead and look in the product description below. Yeah, this. Can you see that? It's like, I don't know. I don't love it. Oh yes. If you want to check out this product, you can purchase it on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. It retails for about $29.97 if I remember right. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means it's free shipping. And nothing is better than free shipping. Hell, I wish I could come with free shipping. In any case, also do me a favor, check me out on my Instagram. It's Mr.BrianJames. And you can also check out my website, www.mrbrianjames.com. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, even if you didn't enjoy this video, just hit that like button because it helps me. Listen, if you did enjoy this video, and hell, even if you didn't enjoy the video, just hit the like button because you know what? You watched it till the end. You do it for yourself. It's really for you. The like is for me, but it's about you. Leave me a like, subscribe to my channel if you want. I'm going to have a lot more product reviews coming your way. I have a whole bunch of stuff getting sent to me, so I'm very excited to start reviewing this for you. I hope I didn't drag this video on too long, and thanks everybody for tuning in. Bye.